Booklet page 26, letter C, 2 and 1/5 minus 1 and 1/5. My rule is whole minus whole, fraction minus fraction. So I will first make sure whether my fraction is greater than or equals other fraction, because in subtraction I have condition big minus small. Here I have 1/5 and 1/5. They are the same, so I can subtract. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 1/5 minus 1/5 equals 0. So my answer will be 1 whole. Booklet page 26, letter F, 3 and 1/3 minus 1 and 2/3. In subtraction, I say whole minus whole, fraction minus fraction. And as you know, in subtraction, you have to make sure the first fraction is greater than the second one. 1/3 and 1 and 2/3. 1/3 is less than 2/3. So what will you do? I will regroup one whole. How can you regroup one whole? I will go to the whole number and borrow 1 from him. These 3 will be 2, and the one I have will be written as fraction. I will regroup my 1 whole into 3/3, because here my denominator is 3, so I will regroup my 1 whole into 3/3. I regroup it into 3/3 to make my fraction greater, so that I will rewrite the question again. It will be, instead of these 3, it will be 2, and I will add the 2 fractions I have. Here I have 1/3 and 3/3. I will add these 3/3 to 1/3 to make it bigger and be able to subtract. It will be 4/3. 1 plus 3 equal 4, and the 3 in the denominator will be freed. Again, once you find your fraction, first fraction is less than second fraction, so I will regroup 1 whole. I will go to the whole and take 1 from him. I will make it 1 less. This 3 will be 2, and the other one will be rewritten as 3/3, because my denominator here is 3. So it will be 3/3, and let's rewrite this mixed number again. It will be 2 whole, and I will add my 3/3 to the 1/3 I have. It will be 4/3 minus 1 and 2/3. Now I can subtract because I got bigger fraction in the beginning. Again, I will say whole minus whole, fraction minus fraction. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 4/3 minus 2/3, it will equal, I will freeze down 3, and I will say 4 minus 2 equal 2. So the difference, or the answer, is 1 and 2/3. Then after you finish your solving, you will check the fraction. You have to check 2 points. First, simplify. Can you simplify? 2 and 3, they are 2 consecutive numbers, so there are no common factors between them. I can't divide more. Second thing is to check if it is proper or not. 2 is less than 3, so my fraction is proper. So 1 and 2/3 is in the simplest form. This is the first way to solve this problem, and I have another way to solve the same problem. I will convert the first mixed number into improper and the second one into improper fraction, then I will subtract them. Here I have 3 and 1/3. Let's convert it into improper fraction. I will freeze 3 down, and I will say 3 by 3 equal 9 plus 1 equal 10. So the first fraction is 10/3 minus. Let's convert the subtrahend also into improper fraction. Freeze 3 down, and I will say 1 by 3 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now I have 5/3. Let's subtract now. I have 2 improper fractions with like denominator, so I will freeze down 3, and I will say 10 minus 5 equal 5. Now my answer is 5/3. Let's check the 2 points. First, I will simplify. Can you simplify? Can you divide 5 and 3 by the same number? No, both of them are prime numbers, so I can't divide them both. Then, is this proper? No, this is improper. So now I have to convert it into proper fraction. 5 over 3, 5 divide 3. I will make 5 divide 3 and write the words within. It will equal 1 and 2 over 3. And this is the same answer I will get.